Good morning and welcome to Sassy Kate and Wren. This morning we're going to be making a delicious breakfast of rhubarb crisp with our plethora of fresh rhubarb. So we have 4 cups of fresh chopped rhubarb. We're just going to mix that together really quickly with 2 tablespoons of flour just to coat. And that's going to go into our pre-greased, pre-prepped baking dish. I do like to use coconut oil for greasing my baking dish just to give it that little bit of an extra coconut flavor. So we've got our prepped baking dish. Once I've got that all distributed around the pan, now drizzle over about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Making sure that we get pretty much on all the areas. Alright, so that's our rhubarb ready to go. We're going to mix our topping. So in the same bowl we were using, we're adding in a cup of oats, a cup of brown sugar. We've got a 1/3 of a cup of flour, a 1/3 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mixing that all together really quickly. And we can add in our fat. So just doing a quick mix on that. Everything should be fairly loose still. Just going to scatter that evenly across the top. Be generous. In my opinion, the crisp is the best part of a rhubarb crisp, so you don't want any bits kind of sitting without any of it. Just to make sure that it's scattered evenly. Alright, so that bakes for half an hour at 375 and it'll be done. Serve it up with some heavy cream and it is delicious.